In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your YouTube income. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. The easiest way to check your YouTube income is use YouTube Studio app. To get this app, go to the App Store, search for YouTube Studio, and then just download this app on your device. After that, open it up and log in. And after that, you will be taken to this page where you can find estimated revenue. If we tap on it, that will show us that graph, and that's how we can easily check our income. Also, we can tap at that graph and then we can switch it to 7 days, 28 days, 90 days, 1 year, and also we can filter it by specific month or year, just like that. That's how you can easily check your YouTube income. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.